There's an account so powerful that financial experts beg people to use it, and most either don't understand it or haven't opened one. It's the Roth IRA, maybe the single best wealth-building tool you have access to. I'll explain what it is, why it's so good, and how it works. IRA means individual retirement account, an account you open yourself to save for the future. The word Roth describes how it's taxed, and that's where the magic is. You put in money you've already paid taxes on, and it grows completely tax-free, and you withdraw it tax-free in retirement. With a Roth, decades of growth can be yours untaxed. Let that sink in. Say your contributions grow significantly over 30 or 40 years. In a regular account, you'd owe taxes on all those gains. In a Roth, you owe nothing on the way out. That difference is enormous over a lifetime. Same investments. You keep far more of the growth. Tax-free compounding is why this account is so loved. The catch: there's a yearly limit on how much you can put in. The IRS sets it, a few $1,000s a year, and it changes. So look up the current year's limit before you contribute. You don't have to max it. Even small, regular contributions add up enormously thanks to tax-free growth. There are also income limits. A Roth is designed for everyday earners, so if you make above a certain high income, your ability to contribute directly phases out. For most beginners, this won't be an issue, but it's worth knowing the rule exists. Step 4, the thing that trips everyone up. A Roth IRA is an account, not an investment itself. Opening it and putting money in is only half the job. Once the money is inside, you still have to invest it, usually in something simple like an index fund. Skip this step and your money sits as idle cash. Step 5. Time is everything here, so the best day to start is as early as possible. Every year of tax-free compounding counts. One perk for peace of mind: because you already paid taxes on contributions, you're generally allowed to withdraw the money you put in, your contributions, not the earnings, without penalty if you truly need it. 2 big mistakes. 1. Opening it, contributing, and forgetting to invest the money inside, so it sits as cash for years earning nothing. 2. Waiting. People say someday, and someday they've lost a decade of tax-free growth they can never get back. Open it and invest it now. So, a Roth IRA grows and comes out tax-free. There's a yearly limit to look up, income rules most beginners won't hit, and remember, you must invest the money inside it. Don't leave it as cash. Start early and let tax-free compounding do its thing. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the Money Lesson School Skip. See you next time. Quick recap on Roth IRAs. First, say your contributions grow significantly over 30 or 40 years. Second, the IRS sets it, a few $1,000s a year, and it changes. So look up the current year's limit before you contribute. Third, a Roth is designed for everyday earners. So if you make above a certain high income, your ability to contribute directly phases out. Fourth, opening it and putting money in is only half the job. Fifth, step 5. Time is everything here, so the best day to start is as early as possible. Every year of tax-free compounding counts. Save this video so you remember it and subscribe to Never Taught That, the Money Lesson School Skipped. See you next time. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That's how the next one finds you. Question? Drop it below. Next time on Never Taught That, making money using AI.